What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Family, you know, I went to the seafood market today, y'all. Pick up a few crawfish. And I left with a persimmon tree. We gotta get to the bottom of this, y'all. Stand by. So family, it's crawfish time in my neighborhood, y'all. Oh yeah, it's crawfish time, fam. You know, I've been tearing them up, y'all. Oh yeah, I've been tearing them up. Family, you know the crawfish is, the meat from the crawfish is pretty tasty, y'all. But you know, nothing goes to waste on the crawfish. Oh no, nothing goes to waste, family. You know, the shells from the crawfish make for an awesome natural fertilizer. Oh yeah. You know, fertilizing with shellfish allows for a slow release of nitrogen, calcium, of magnesium, and other trace minerals, y'all. Oh, yeah. So you know the earthworms love it. And your plants and trees will love it as well, y'all. So family, you know, as I mentioned in the intro, I went to the seafood market to purchase crawfish, y'all. And I left with a persimmon tree. Oh yeah, I left with a persimmon tree, y'all. So check it out, fam. This is the Tanashi Japanese persimmon tree. Yeah. You know, it's a very prolific tree. It produces a lot of fruit. Check it out, man. You know, the fruit is astringent when you first pick it. You know, to give your mouth that pucker factor, y'all. Oh yeah, that pucker factor. But you know, once the fruit ripens, you know, it really has a very rich and sweet flavor, y'all. Yeah, it's pretty tasty. So the fruit is cone shaped. You know, it has a yellow to red, kind of orange skin. And it's nearly seedless, y'all, but it does have some small seeds in it. So you know the Tanashi persimmon is self-pollinating or self-fertile. So you know it doesn't require, you know, an additional tree, y'all. Although there are several persimmon trees on this property as well. So family, that's the Japanese Tanashi persimmon tree, y'all. Oh yeah. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.